Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So, who's ready to see what is behind door number 4? 4 days away from Christmas, guys. Can you believe how fast this time's going? I really don't want this to end, but it's getting closer and closer. Oh, we've got the Mylee no wipe top coat. Wicked. Because I've been using a different brand of top coat, you know, to coat my swatches with. So I'm really excited for that. I can't wait to see what their top coat's like. So, I have got a swatch stick here that has not been top coated. And it is... dun, 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 here somewhere. So, it was this red one, which is called In the Red. That one hasn't been top coated. So, let's check out what this Mylee no wipe top coat's like, shall we? So it's in a big, massive 15ml glass bottle. Love these big square bottles. They're so much easier to store. So feels like a really nice consistency as well. It's not super thick, it's not super thin. There you go. Really nice consistency that is. So let's see what it's like to apply and what it cures like, shall we? It applies beautiful. So let's pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Ooh, and it cures in 30 seconds as well, guys. Beautiful. Look how shiny that is. Super, super, super glossy. And I love that it cures in 30 seconds as well. I can see that being one of my go-to top coats, you know. It was a really nice consistency to apply. So, when I next do my nails, I shall give that a try. Take a look at what it wears like, see how long it lasts, see how shiny it lasts for. So, that is what was behind door number 4. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's video, when we're going to be 3 days away from Christmas. Take care, guys. Bye.